he was a wooden Indian standing by the door. He fell in love with the Indian maid over an antique store. Her eyes are
dessert. We're gonna give this a shot. Freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. Look at this thing.
Matt, take the picture. Ugh. Light bar, it's too dark, you couldn't see.
It's actually not that bad.
No?
Tastes just like ice cream, it's just not cold. Oh. All we do is eat here. We don't work on anything. Right?
Tastes like ice cream.
Yeah, I'm really surprised.
Astronaut Frank here reporting. I'm in space with Howard Fruit Loops.
This is an interesting little touch. Mirror ain't going nowhere now. Sucker's in there. Another E-van, E100 van, right? Or whatever the hell, 150. God damn, we keep getting like so many of these. This one, not so much in the best of shape. And of course, you know, there's just tons and tons of room in these things too. Fresh new tires here for this Nissan Altima.
Put a new end on it that we have in there. Like this stupid, this is ridiculous.
Somebody wrapped foil around it.
Because they wrap foil around it because this
It's too big. Right?
is shot.
You can't,
Why?
yeah.
Look at it, you can't tighten it all.
There's more foil down there that they... Alright, so I'll stick an end on it.
Yeah, put an end on it.
Tire repair. Look at that thing.
Good one.
It's always the best when we do these in front of customers and they see what you have to do. And they see that sticking out of their tire. The expression on their face is just hilarious.
It's like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You just carve it out and then this one's getting a plug, so. I'm sorry, I'm Rob. Alright, so we have a Mercedes here that was leaking coolant. A belt was broken on it when it came in. And that's because
This little line here that comes out, hit the fan, ruptured, antifreeze all over the belt, and poof, shred mill.
pulled it. Literally. Shred mill, yeah, literally. There's part of the hose and
This is
some
what's
of
left, and the belt's hanging outside. That's what's left. Get that on the film. Nice, huh? That's why they call it a serpentine, since when it breaks, it's like a snake's.
snapped completely, yeah. Do an inspection on a Mercedes-Benz. This is a Pennsylvania license plate because the inspection stickers are a little different around. Cool. Look at this baby. Ain't she a beaut? You're good where you're at. Look at that thing. Look at that trunk. We fit 3 bodies in there. 3 bodies in there. Tell it to the boss. Give her a go. Yep, it's working. Boom, she's all fixed. So we've got a Toyota Avalon. The customer is having a little bit of an issue with a wobble that's happening. And when we take it for a test drive, it seems to be coming from the rear. Maybe it's a rim issue. When we visually inspect everything, it looks like it's okay, but that doesn't mean that everything is okay. Could be something going on.
Right there, I see it from here. It's that tire.
I see it too. Holy cannoli.
Look at this. There's your lump right here. Little lump.
All right.
Hey, Matt.
New tire. We're repairing the shifter column in this thing. The actual shifter that shifts in the gears broke.
That's the fifth one of these we've done.
Yeah. And they're all trucks.
All Ford.
Steering column has to come down so you can get to the connections underneath. This is a Ford Ranger.